In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Xero email address step by step. Whether you've switched to a new work email, updated your domain, or simply want to use a different login address, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process safely and correctly. The best part is, you can do this in just a couple of minutes directly inside your Xero account settings. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss an important requirement that could prevent the change from going through. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials and business software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your Xero account at go.xero.com and make sure you're on your main dashboard or homepage. Once you're logged in, look to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see your user initials or your profile picture displayed there. This is where your personal account settings are located. Click on your user initials or profile image. A small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Account. This will take you into your personal account settings, where you can manage your login details, security settings, and profile information. Once you're inside the account section, look for your current email address. You'll see it listed as part of your login details. Next to your email address, there will be a button labeled Change. Go ahead and click the Change button. Now Xero will prompt you to enter your new email address. Carefully type in the new email address that you want to use for your Xero login. Make sure this email address is active and accessible, because Xero may send verification or confirmation messages to it. Also, very important, the new email address must not already be associated with another Xero user account. If the email is already in use within Xero, the system will not allow you to proceed. After entering your new email address, you'll need to confirm your identity by entering your current Xero password. This step is required for security reasons, so Xero can verify that it's really you making the change. Type in your password carefully. Once you've entered your new email address and your current password, click the Save button. Xero will then process the request. In some cases, you may receive a confirmation email to the new address. If that happens, open your inbox and follow the verification link provided to finalize the change. After saving, your login email will now be updated. Going forward, you'll use this new email address whenever you sign into Xero. Keep in mind that this change only affects your login credentials and notifications tied to your user profile. It does not automatically change your organization's contact details, invoice branding emails, or other business communication settings. Those would need to be updated separately within your organization settings if required. And that's it. That's how you change your Xero email address quickly and securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Xero guides. I post regular tutorials to help you manage your accounting software with confidence and save time in your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.